हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ब्लश ब्लश एंड दिस इज योर फ्रेंड दिया फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ एज पर माई प्रॉमिस अमेजिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स। सो आइए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो और जानते हैं Faconn.com के बारे में a little more. So friends, first of all I would like to say कि ये बहुत ही सस्ता, बहुत ही अमेजिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स है। I have ordered January box and it has come in this packing. So इस पैकिंग में लेकर आए हैं हम आपके लिए एक amazing surprise. So let's start. The moment you open this box, okay? So friends, the moment you open the box, you get all the products in this bag. Okay, it's Faconn. It's written there. Now this is of orange color. Okay, और इसके अंदर थे कुछ 5 products. So I will be sharing one by one all the products with you. So whatever is there in this box is also mentioned in this. Okay, this is the content written in this particular form, wherein what is the price and every details mentioned in this paper. Okay, so let me just start. So are you guys excited? So this was actually for 279 rupees. 279, I don't know how to say that in Hindi, but 279 rupees का ये पूरा था बॉक्स जिसमें 5 प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे मिले हैं। और अब हम शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट से। तो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट I'm going to talk about today is a multani mitti from Faconn. If you see, this is actually I can say a full size product. Okay, and this is really amazing, and the directions are written on this packet. Apart from that, this itself is for 150 rupees. 150 रुपए का है ये। और इसका मैं आपको एक अलग वीडियो बना के बताऊंगी इसको कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं। In this video we'll just be talking about what exactly is there in this box. So ये 100 ग्राम का एक Faconn मुल्तानी मिट्टी का आपको एक तो ये फेस पैक मिला है। Let's talk about the next product now. So the next product is a concealer. So it is called SFR Color Concealer Palette, which is for 350 rupees. Imagine 350 रुपए का ये एक आपको concealer palette मिला है जिसको मैंने अभी तक खोला नहीं है, and I'm going to open this in front of all of you lovely people, my friends. Okay, I'm very bad at opening the stuff. See, I'm trying. So ये बहुत ही अच्छे से उसको बबल रैप किया हुआ है ताकि प्रोडक्ट डैमेज ना हो। ओके, कम ऑन, खुल जा सिम। Okay, so okay, looks nice. Okay, so this is actually the product I have got in that bubble wrapping. So this is the second product. It is from SFR Color Concealer. So इसमें there's a highlight, normalize, natural, brighten, and many more things to cover. Okay, so this is a concealer palette I have got. Okay, this looks really nice. It can be useful, and I can use this in many more videos. So this is the another product. Now let's go to the next product. So friends, जानते हो next product क्या है? Next product है amazing से earrings. Now these are the earrings. Okay, अभी मैंने कुछ पहना नहीं है, but I will try to wear in this video. Okay, तो ये पहनते हैं, ये 350 rupees के Mina earrings है, and they are like so amazing. You can have a look. I like the sound. This is one of the best thing, or I would say this is the product which is my favorite in the box, because I am a kind of person who's really in love with all such stuff. So मैं आपको इसको निकालते हैं। बहुत ही light weight है. They are not very heavy. Oh, तोड़ ना दूँ मैं। Okay, so it is actually stuck. Okay, it came out. So you can have a look. This is, don't you think it is beautiful? But it is not matching my dress, but you can see it is amazing. So मैं अभी नहीं पहन रही हूँ, but this is so beautiful. So maybe in some video I will wear this. This is really beautiful product. This is Mina earring, they have said, and oxidized Mina earring for 350. So friends, सबसे अच्छा मुझे क्या लगा है कि 279 rupees में I have got the products for more than that price. So if you just talk about the earrings itself is for 350, concealer palette is for 350. So this is something which I really love, and it depends on what is your budget for the month. You can go ahead and buy different subscription boxes. Maybe if you like something from the last month box, that option is also available. So you can just go ahead and explore a little about Faconn.com. I will be leaving the link in the description also so that you can have a look. So आइए चलते हैं next product पे. Oh my god, what is this? Now let's see what is this. Okay, so it is actually a long wear lip gloss. So it is Me Now Pro Long Wear Lip Gloss. Now this is actually for 200 rupees. ये 200 रुपए का प्रोडक्ट है जो कि इसके अंदर मुझे मिला है. And how to open this? Okay, so if you see, there's a seal. So first I will just actually take out the seal. ये निकाल दिया मैंने. उसके बाद I'll rotate, and you can see here comes the lip gloss. Now let's see how exactly it works. Oh my god, the pigmentation is just amazing. Okay, I have not used it. I would have really tried that, but I wanted to open everything in front of you. See, so beautiful. Actually, I like orange color, I like red color. So this is again another amazing product for 200 rupees in the box, and I really loved the shade. और एक जैसा है, बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ से लगा रहे हैं तो कहीं और जा रहा है. So this is really amazing. You can see, so beautiful. I like it. So friends, last product 250 रुपए का एक amazing body wash from Faconn जो कि मैंने bottle अभी drop कर दी थी. So here it comes. So this is the bottle I have got. Okay, this is from Faconn body wash. Because इसमें strawberry है, so I may not use it because I personally do not like that strawberry fragrance. So इसको खोलते हैं और देखते हैं कैसा है ये. हाँ, थोड़ा सा बहुत ही mild fragrance है, but still I will be giving this to somebody, maybe to my friend. No, this is coming right to you, mommy. So this I will be gifting to mama, and this is for 250. Isn't it fantastic? I like the color, and they have given a pump, if you see. So there is a pump. So आप थोड़ा सा लेके यूज करिए. और ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक बॉक्स है जो कि मुझे really amazing लगा. So friends, this is something amazing about Faconn.com, that it is actually, they have kept the price to minimum. It's a very less affordable price which you can get anything in your budget, I would say. So friends, अगर अच्छा लगा है मेरा वीडियो तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप अभी इसी वक्त मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, and by pressing the red button which is underneath this video. Along with that, please do press the bell button. हर वीडियो में बोलती हूँ bell button press करो. You will get the notification of the latest upload on my channel. Also मेरा community tab देखते रहिए, बहुत सारे surprises आते हैं उसमें. Apart from that, अभी के लिए इतना ही. चलती हूँ, फिर मिलूंगी कुछ नया लेके. Bye bye.